Section 2. You will hear a guide giving a tour of an apartment. First, look at the floor plan. You have 30 seconds to study it. Now, listen carefully and answer the questions 11 to 16.
Welcome to your new apartment. I will now take you through each part of the layout so you can get familiar with all the features. Let's start at the entrance, which is located at the bottom right corner of the plan. As you step inside, you enter the foyer. To your immediate right, you will see a small closet, which can be used for extra storage. Now, moving forward, directly ahead, you will find the bathroom on the right-hand side. This bathroom is equipped with a toilet, a sink, and a bathtub. To the left of the bathroom, there is a closet, perfect for storing clothes or household items. Next, let's explore the master bedroom, which is located at the top right side of the layout. Inside, there is a walk-in closet and a small additional storage, measuring 4 feet 11 inches by 6 feet 0 inches. Now, let's move back towards the center of the apartment. Adjacent to the master bedroom is the second bedroom, which is located to the left of the master bedroom. This room is slightly smaller, and features a closet for storage. Exiting the second bedroom, you will see a small water closet in the hallway, which provides an extra restroom facility. Next, let's move towards the kitchen and dining area. The kitchen is located centrally in the apartment. It includes a built-in oven, a dishwasher, a sink, and countertop space. Adjacent to the kitchen is the dining area, with ample space for a dining table. Now, let's proceed to the living room, which is on the bottom left side of the floor plan, providing a comfortable area for relaxation and entertainment. Finally, at the top left side of the apartment, you will find the terrace. This outdoor space is accessible from the dining area and offers a great spot for fresh air and relaxation. That concludes your apartment tour. I hope this guide helps you get familiar with your new home.